10th class gas paper physics new scheme 2023 knowledge base 50%, understanding base 35%, application base 15%, conceptual questions 15%. Define the following terms used in refraction: angle of incidence, angle of refraction. 2. When an optician testing room is small, he uses a mirror to help him test the eyesight of his patients and explain why. 3. How does the thickness of lens affect its local length? 4. Under the condition, will a converging lens form virtual image? 5. You can listen to your friend round but you cannot watch him. Why? 6. Is there any difference between echo and reflection of sound? Explain. 7. Why ultrasound is useful in medical field? 8. Why sound waves are called mechanical waves? 9. Why would happen to the loudness of sound with increase in frequency? 10. You can listen to your friend round, but you cannot watch him. Why? 11. Is there any difference between echo and reflection of sound? Explain. 12. Why ultrasound is useful in medical field? 13. Why sound waves are called mechanical waves? 14. Why would happen to the loudness of sound with increase in its frequency? 15. What is difference between electronic current and conventional current? 16. Why is conductor's charge is transferred by free electron rather than by positive charge? 17. What is difference between a cell and a battery? 18. How many watt hours are there in 1000 joules? 19. Which filament of an electric bulb? Explain with reason. 20. Describe for safety measures that should be takes in connection with the household circuit. 21. Which device is used for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy? 22. What is difference between a generator and a motor? 23. Can transfer operate and direct current? 24. Name two factors which can enhance thermionic emission. 25. When electron pass through two parallel plates having opposite charge, they are deflected towards the positively charged plate. What important characteristics of the electron can be inferred from this? 26. Why optical fiber is more useful for the communication process? 27. What is the difference between RAM and ROM memories? 28. Which is more reliable, floppy disk or a hard disk? Conceptual question 13.1, 13.3, 13.6 and 13.7. Understanding base 35%. 1. Tell whether or not these motions are example of simple harmonic motion. A part, up and down motion of leaf in water ponds. B. Motion of hands of a ceiling fan. C. Motion of hands of clock. D. Motion of plucked string fixed at both its ends. E. Movement of honey bee. 2. In order to measure current through a resistance, ammeter is always connected in series with the resistance. 3. In order to measure potential difference across a resistance, voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the resistance. Thank you for watching and good luck.